blood and all was there, but in this you felt bad in your stomach, no?
Still, I feel like this, I like early six.
Six axis.
Yes, 6 axis. They're very nice, silky, smooth, and like this he did.
Welcome to another episode of Couple of Opinions, and today we'll be reviewing Dhurandhar. Fortunately, the movie was not a Dhurandhar, it was actually quite good. So, after a long time, I felt like I went for a movie where, like, content is there, somebody put some thought into it. I liked it.
Yeah, it was a good movie. Even like people said it's like a long movie, so like people might think it'll be boring or it'll be dragged or anything like that. We were engaged throughout the movie, and people are saying it's for like 4 hours 26 minutes or like more than 4 hours. But we went into the theater at 9:30. We came out at 1:30, so it's like exactly 4 hours, including the commercials and break, intermission, and all these things. So it was like 4 hours.
I liked it. In fact, I think movies should be like this only, full story. Shouldn't feel like kash usme thoda aur hota. ऐसे तो नहीं लगेगा.
That too, like it's like they said like too much gore and all that. I saw a lot of Instagram memes where like A-rated, like people are saying
A-rated movie.
Yeah.
It is A-rated. People.
It is a A-rated movie. Definitely, it's a A-rated movie. But I'm saying like people are saying too much.
For the story, it was required. That's what.
That's what I like. It's not too much gore. So if people want to watch and they are avoiding this movie because they're thinking they won't be able to watch the movie, they have to close their eyes and watch, so I don't think it's like that kind of a movie.
Your gut is very strong because you've seen Marco and all.
No, nothing like that.
How was the acting? I liked Ranveer Singh's acting.
Even I liked his acting. And like
the full like essay
muscular book, like full like very nice. They've given him different color eyes and all that, like full given him a good
nice.
Pakistani look in that.
Like full hair and all that.
Pathani suit like and all that kurta and that pajama kind of a thing. That and all is suiting him, like that is nice. And the hair, even the hair, when he had a shorter hair, I like the hair better. And like one scene where when he flips the hair, oh my god, that was like, even I wish I could flip my hair like this. They're very nice, silky, smooth, like this he did.
His hair was very silky.
His wife was clinic plus in this thing, na. Sara Ajit's acting was also good, they got a young actress for him, but that is again justified. It is not like them because in the movie she's actually 20 years old, and in the movie she's 19 years old.
In the story, it actually is like that, so they've acknowledged it.
Yeah, and she's behaving also like one kid, like who is like trying to break up from home, like trying to rebel, like full teenager kind of a vibe she has. So yeah, justified. Like even the casting was justified. Akshay Khanna's acting also is fine. Like sometimes I feel like he's making like too much of faces.
He was also having smirks.
Lot of smirks. Even the shopkeeper, who's another agent, Indian agent. So even his acting was good. Like we can feel it. Believable acting. Like he's actually.
That was believable.
Yeah.
Usually I don't like ऐसे patriotic वाला movies वगैरह, but one thing I liked in this was they were not trying to stuff it down your throat like all national anthem and flag and all that in between and all, which जो ऐसे usually जो Republic Day में वैसे वाले movies में आता है, वो सब तो नहीं था.
Extra patriotism नहीं दिखाया इसमें. So but it is a good thing, but if you're like putting like patriotism in every second line, then it feels very forced.
Through the story and through the events they are showing. Not just like every 10 minutes time to say something quirky about India and how India is that awesome, which was nice. It was very grounded.
Actually, they did not show much about India in this movie. It's basically from the Pakistan side, maybe the India side will come in the next part, but here in this one, most of like everything is happening in Pakistan. Yeah, even the BGM and all, like it was engaging, like it is still there in my humankind because of what you're saying. No, that is just one rap, but I'm saying like even the other Arabic raps, Dhurandhar ka that title song is there. That is also like it did stay in my head. I still play
it.
Yeah, it was very stylistic. It is still in my mind, so I think it did touch. I like the BGM of this thing.
Songs and music was nice, and I liked it. Like effect-wise, everything was really good. You felt that Akshay Khanna's acting is a little cheesy.
not cheesy, but sometimes like making it that kind of faces.
I mean, I was seeing reels where they were like, "Oh, this is Ranveer Singh's movie," but it
But
is
yeah,
like
he
overparts.
yeah.
Yeah, as in like he is the main character. He's taken the full aura, etc., etc.
But it's in just that
Yeah,
the dance step that he did. That was the one where
That
like
is
we are
not
not.
even the entry. I thought that was the entry.
Yeah, that is like randomly came in between. Yeah,
Yeah.
but the people have taken that and like is like promoting that movie. But like that just came. And yeah, we did not notice in that particular moment, we did not see Ranveer Singh and all that. We were just focusing on Akshay Khanna, but that was like for a few seconds. Yeah.
It's like for Hindi speaking audience, acting like that is very rare. Even the sets
Sets were
also,
good, yeah.
right? It felt like, you are in that place. It's all happening. It's a real place.
Yeah, it felt
Doesn't
like
feel like a set.
yeah, like how we imagine Pakistan to be, it felt like that. I don't know how actually Pakistan is, but this is what I feel Pakistan would look like. So this movie, somewhat kind of like a BJP propaganda, in a way. Because they are like bringing you
Little bit they're hinting towards. I think next film would be like major into
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, could
Yeah, that part I did not like. This is again that stuffing down the part which I didn't like.
be. People are saying that this is just a trailer, that is next level and all. Let's wait for that, how it will be.
It's not that long also, 3 months.
Yeah,
March
it's
26th.
coming in. No, 19th March. It's coming in 19th March.
19th March.
Yeah.
Alright, will you be able to watch it again?
We can watch, but it's a pretty long movie.
I think before the second part comes, maybe we might watch it once in a day. Just because of all
Revision.
that, like BGM and action and all that stuff. I like it. I would want to see how it looks like on my TV. Plus, a lot of it was a narrated movie. Why were they censoring the galis? I didn't understand. It's already 18 plus and certified, but it was all censored. What was the point? Maybe that won't be the same in when watching on Netflix.
No, I think censor board would have censored it. I don't know what's the problem in India. They had censored everything. Lot of such kind of garlies and kind of that kind of jokes and all.
Do you think people have to watch it in theater or in OTT?
No, it's a good watch to be watched in theater. Like if you want to enjoy with BGM and all these things,
Yeah.
it is a good watch. Like
Actually, it is worth the theater
Worth, yeah.
because it's long. Also, you get like more
yeah,
bang for buck.
yeah, exactly. More bang for buck. And after a long time, Bollywood has come
something
back
good.
something good. Yeah, it's worth a watch.
Alright, so stay subscribed for our next review and bye bye.
Bye bye.